Hello guys, this is the update of our Q1 visa. So 2023 is mostly done already, and then now they're working in 2024. So now is working sa June, almost finished ang June. Look at this. Remaining only 669. So approve 1,474. Then next July. So July remaining 1,969. And then approve 887. So our case is by August. So approve ang August is 12. So madami pang case sa 3,378. So hopefully by next year or December or January we will maka-receive na kami ng approval. Good luck and congratulations sa na-approve. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.